بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Abdul Wajid from Noon Online Quran Academy, and you are watching Noorani Qaida lessons. Inshallah, in this class we will learn Arabic alphabet with pronunciation in English language. If you would like to learn Quran with English language, please subscribe our channel. Today our first video, Noorani Qaida in English. So in this class we will learn Arabic letter with pronunciation. Start now. First you should repeat after me very carefully lesson. Today our next lesson is of Arabic alphabet Ha to Ra. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ha, ha, ha. Please remember, ha is no dot and ha is very clear sound. Ha, 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 ha. You can read after me. Ha, ha, ha. Our next letter is Kha, Kha, Kha. Please remember, Kha is one dot on top. Kha, Kha. These two letters are similar, Ha and Kha. You should know what is the difference between Ha and Kha. What is the difference between Ha and Kha? Ha is clear sound and Ha is no dot. Very little difference between in sound. Ha is very clear sound and Ha is very heavily sound. Ha, Kha, Ha, Kha, Ha, Kha. Please try to understand. We will practice both letters. Ha, Kha. Ha is no dot and Kha has one dot on top. Ha, Kha. With clear sound and with bold sound and heavily sound. Kha, Ha, Kha. Our next letter is Dal. You can read after me. Dal, 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 Dal. You remember, Dal has no dot. Dal. You can read after me, please. Dal. Dal. Our next letter is Dal. Now follow me. Dal. 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 Please read after me. Dal. Please remember, Dal has one dot on top and Dal has very soft sound. Read Dal without whistle sound. Dal. Very different between Dal and Dal. Dal has no dot and Dal has one dot on top. Please read this raw, very softly sound, not whistle sound. Dal. 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 Our next letter is Ra. 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 Please remember, Ra has no dot on top and read Ra with heavily sound. Ra. 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 You can read after me. Ra. 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 Please remember, Ra has no dot and you read this Ra with heavily sound. Ra. Ra. If you have any kind of question, please leave a message in this video in comment section. We will be reply you soon. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الله ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو إليه